Today, we uncover a shocking truth about cancer and how your daily diet directly impacts your health. Did you know that nearly 50% of all cancer cases are entirely preventable through simple but powerful changes in your lifestyle? The food you consume every single day acts either as the safest medicine or the slowest form of poison for your body. We will explore 4 hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen that silently feed disease and destroy your cellular health from the inside. Understanding these invisible dietary threats empowers you to make smarter choices, protecting yourself and your loved ones from devastating future health crises. Many seemingly healthy foods lining supermarket shelves are actually packed with artificial ingredients that severely disrupt your delicate internal biological balance daily. Let us dive deep into the science of nutrition and uncover the undeniable link between modern dietary habits and rising cancer rates. You might be surprised to learn that the path to a healthy life often begins right inside your very own grocery cart. Our journey today will reveal the exact foods you must avoid to keep your cells healthy and your immune system incredibly strong. Are you ready to take full control of your health? Let us begin by examining the first hidden danger in your food. The first major threat involves emulsifiers, specifically harmful chemicals like Polysorbate 80 and CMC, which are widely used in modern food processing. You can easily find these chemical additives hiding inside seemingly innocent products like protein bars, sugar-free milks, and delicious ice creams. Food manufacturers use emulsifiers to improve texture and extend shelf life, completely ignoring the severe damage they cause to your digestive system. Inside your gut, a protective mucosal layer acts as a vital barrier, defending your sensitive tissues from harmful bacteria and dangerous toxins. Unfortunately, chemical emulsifiers act like harsh detergents, aggressively stripping away this essential protective mucus layer and leaving your gut walls entirely exposed. Once this critical barrier is breached, harmful bacteria invade the intestinal lining, triggering a relentless cascade of chronic inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is not just painful. It creates the absolute perfect biological environment for cancerous cells to mutate, grow, and rapidly multiply. Every time you consume these artificial additives, you are unknowingly fueling a silent inflammatory fire that severely compromises your long-term health. Reading ingredient labels becomes your first line of defense against these invisible microscopic enemies that threaten to destroy your healthy gut microbiome. Avoid foods containing impossible-to-pronounce chemical names and focus instead on consuming whole, unprocessed meals that naturally nourish and heal you. Protecting your gut lining is absolutely crucial because a healthy digestive system is the foundation of a robust, cancer-fighting immune response. By eliminating dangerous emulsifiers from your daily diet, you immediately reduce systemic inflammation and drastically lower your overall risk of developing cancer. Your body possesses an incredible ability to heal itself once you stop bombarding it with toxic synthetic chemicals disguised as healthy nutrition. Choose natural alternatives whenever possible, and always remember that true health stems from eating foods that respect your internal biological system harmony. Now that we understand the dangers of emulsifiers, we must turn our attention to a naturally occurring but equally deadly dietary threat. The second major danger comes from aflatoxins, which are highly toxic compounds produced by dangerous molds growing on improperly stored food items. These invisible toxins frequently contaminate common pantry staples, especially popular nuts like peanuts, almonds, and walnuts, as well as various whole grains. When crops are harvested and stored in warm, humid conditions without proper ventilation, these deadly fungal toxins multiply rapidly and spread silently. Aflatoxins are not destroyed by normal cooking temperatures, meaning they can easily survive the roasting process and enter your body completely intact. Once ingested, these potent toxins travel directly to your liver, where they cause severe cellular damage and aggressively attack your fragile DNA. Continuous DNA damage forces your liver cells to mutate, significantly increasing the likelihood of developing aggressive and fatal liver cancer over time. Many people unknowingly consume trace amounts of aflatoxins daily through cheap peanut butter or poorly sourced nuts bought from unverified bulk bins. To protect yourself from this silent killer, you must always purchase your nuts and grains from highly reputable, quality-tested, trusted brands. Furthermore, proper home storage is absolutely critical. Always keep your nuts and seeds tightly sealed inside your refrigerator to prevent mold growth. The cold environment of your fridge effectively halts fungal reproduction, ensuring your healthy snacks remain safe, nutritious, and completely free from toxins. Never consume nuts that taste unusually bitter, look discolored, or smell slightly damp, as these are clear warning signs of mold contamination. Being vigilant about food sourcing and storage might seem tedious, but it is a necessary step in your comprehensive cancer prevention strategy. Protecting your liver from aflatoxins allows this vital organ to efficiently detoxify your body and maintain your overall health at optimal levels. Small changes in how you buy and store everyday ingredients can create a massive protective shield against life-threatening diseases like cancer. Moving beyond hidden toxins, we must now examine a dietary staple that actively accelerates tumor growth and fuels aggressive cancer cell proliferation. The third critical danger we must discuss involves refined carbohydrates and added sugars, which dominate the modern, highly processed Western daily diet. To understand why sugar is so dangerous, we must look at the Warburg Effect, a phenomenon describing how cancer cells generate energy. Unlike healthy cells, aggressive cancer cells are heavily dependent on massive amounts of glucose to fuel their rapid, uncontrollable, and deadly growth. When you consume sugary treats or refined white bread, your blood glucose levels spike dramatically, providing an instant feast for microscopic tumors. In response to this sugar influx, your pancreas pumps out extremely high levels of insulin to clear the glucose from your blood. Elevated insulin levels trigger the release of a powerful hormone called IGF-1, which signals all cells in your body to grow. For cancer cells, this combination of abundant glucose, high insulin, and circulating IGF-1 acts exactly like pouring pure gasoline on fire. This toxic internal environment accelerates tumor expansion, making it significantly harder for your immune system to detect and destroy the mutating cells. Cutting out sodas, candies, and refined white pastries is one of the most effective ways to literally starve cancer cells to death. Instead of refined carbs, choose complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes and quinoa, which release energy slowly without causing dangerous insulin hormone spikes. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day is an incredibly powerful strategy for keeping your cellular metabolism healthy and cancer-resistant. Every time you choose a whole, unsweetened food over a sugary snack, you are actively depriving potential cancer cells of their fuel. Breaking the sugar addiction is challenging, but the profound health benefits and cancer prevention effects make the effort absolutely, undeniably, entirely worthwhile. Your body thrives on stable energy sources, and by eliminating refined sugars, you restore the natural metabolic balance required for optimal health. Finally, we must confront a widely accepted social habit that science has proven to be a major, undeniable catalyst for cancer development. The fourth major dietary factor to avoid is alcohol consumption, which many people still mistakenly believe can be harmless in moderate amounts. Medical experts and global health organizations strictly classify alcohol as a Group 1 carcinogen, placing it in the exact category as tobacco. When you drink any alcoholic beverage, your liver works tirelessly to metabolize ethanol, converting it into a highly toxic chemical called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is a dangerous poison that directly damages your cellular DNA and completely prevents your body from repairing the broken genetic material. This accumulation of permanent DNA damage provides the perfect biological trigger for healthy cells to mutate and transform into deadly, aggressive cancers. Regular alcohol consumption significantly increases your risk of developing several types of cancer, including breast, liver, esophageal, and severe colorectal cancer eventually. There is no truly safe level of alcohol consumption regarding cancer prevention. Even casual, light drinking slightly elevates your overall disease risk. Replacing alcoholic drinks with healthy alternatives like sparkling water or herbal teas is a brilliant step toward protecting your vulnerable cellular DNA. By eliminating alcohol, you give your liver the vital opportunity to heal, regenerate, and focus on clearing other harmful environmental toxins efficiently. Sobriety is a profound act of self-care that builds an incredibly strong, resilient fortress against multiple types of dangerous human cancer. Navigating the modern food environment seems overwhelming, but there is a brilliantly simple framework you can use to make healthy choices effortlessly. we highly recommend adopting the famous grandma rule to guide your daily dietary decisions and protect your body from harmful synthetic additives. The rule states that if your grandmother would not recognize an ingredient on a food label, your body should not consume it. Real food grows in nature, spoils over time, and does not require complex chemical laboratories to manufacture, preserve, or artificially enhance flavors. By eating whole, recognizable ingredients, you naturally avoid dangerous emulsifiers, sneaky refined sugars, and toxic preservatives that fuel chronic inflammation and disease. You hold immense power to reduce your cancer risk by simply changing what you put on your dinner plate every single day. Let food be your ultimate medicine, providing your cells with the pure, unadulterated nutrients they desperately need to thrive and fight illness. Share this vital knowledge with your friends and family so they can make informed choices and protect their precious future overall health. Together, we can build a healthier, stronger society by rejecting toxic processed foods and embracing the incredible healing power of natural nutrition. Thank you for watching, Video Creator. Stay healthy, make smart dietary choices, and we will see you in our next educational video.